How to add line breaks in Excel. Line breaks are pretty easy to add in most programs. All you have to do is press Enter on your keyboard, and moves you to a new line. One of the few places this doesn't work is Excel. If you've ever tried hitting Enter in your worksheet, it just takes you to the next cell in your worksheet. No worry. There's a simple keyboard shortcut that will let you add as many line breaks as you want inside any cell. To start a new line of text or add spacing between lines or paragraphs of text in a worksheet cell, you can do the following. Double-click the cell in which you want to insert a line break. Click or position your cursor where you want to break the line. Then press Alt+Enter to insert the line break. This covers how to add line breaks in Excel. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.